This is not over for Rzlv, my friends. This is not over for Rzlv. In fact, I believe that Rzlv will become a $4 to $5 stock in the future. However, in today's video, we're going to see what is upcoming for Rzlv from here on out and at what level should you be preparing to buy more when it comes to Rzlv in order to set yourself up for a massive financial success from here on out. So without further ado, hit the thumbs up button and now let's get into it. Now the reality is that Rzlv is an extremely volatile ticker, and right now the markets which we're in right now, guys, it's the best time to be actively trading these tickers and using their peaks and valleys in order to lower your average and accumulate even more. So what do I mean by that? So let's say that you have 100 shares of Rzlv. Then you go ahead and you sell them for a 10% profit. Now you can go ahead and buy 110 shares. If the price of the stock falls back to where it was before, you can now go ahead and buy 110 shares of Rzlv. Let's say you do the same thing again, right? You sell for a 10% increase, the stock falls back down to the levels that you bought it at originally. Now you can go ahead and buy 11 more shares, right? Because 10% of 110 is 11. So now you are 121 owner of 121 shares of Rzlv. And you can continue doing this, right? Using these ebbs and flows of the ticker, right? In order to accumulate more, even though you initially started with not that many shares to begin with. And this is kind of what I tried emphasizing to you guys last week, right? When I came up with this video where I told you guys that I'm selling, right? I said, it says Rzlv stock, I'm selling, right? And listen to what I said. In the upcoming week, I will be selling some of my Rzlv, and I think that you should too. And this where it was trading at $3.10. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you exactly why. As always, my friends, I am a promo bull when it comes to Rzlv, but at the end of the day, I'm also a trader, right? And I take pride in coming in here and telling you guys. Man, I already missed the studio in New York, man. I set everything up, and then I came back to London. How about that, huh? Crazy. Anyways, let's read some of these comments. How right you were. It went to 315 where I sold and then fell below. Beautiful. You're bugging, buddy. This looks good. And there were like a lot more comments. Like I don't know where they are. Let's see. I don't know where they went, but a lot of hate comments. People saying, "Oh, you don't know anything." Da 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 da. This ticker's going up. They just had amazing earnings. The CEO just bought 9 million shares, which is all true. But what you need to understand is that the market conditions that we're in right now, guys. People are looking for a reason to sell. Green is seen as a selling opportunity, not a buying opportunity. And it's so crucial for you to understand the market conditions that you're trading within and be able to be adaptable, right, with the market conditions. Right now, any stock that's moving to the upside is seen as a profit-taking tool in order to go ahead and buy the stocks that are more red. So what does this mean for Rzlv, right? It's down about 9% today. The reality is that this is a company that has a lot of potential. How can we figure whether or not it's going to recover back to the $4 to $5 levels? So first things first, one of the best quarters ever. The CEO came out and bought 9 million shares. So the conviction as whether or not Rzlv is going to succeed is at an all-time high. Okay? However, one of the most important things that we need to anticipate is when are the markets going to change enough that they will allow Rzlv to thrive, right? Like when will the market conditions change in a way where stocks like Rzlv see a lot of benefit, which are mid-cap AI companies, right? For example, Rzlv is one of them, right? BBAI is another one. I would even put maybe APLD in the bunch, right? All these different tickers, right, are considered mid-cap AI companies, right? Right now, the market conditions we're showing right now, these stocks are not seen as favorable at all. And I'll tell you this, a lot of these companies are not going to be able to survive the winter and be able to thrive the market conditions that do actually benefit stocks like Rzlv, APLD, BBAI, SOU, and whatever, right? So let's talk about it, right? What do you mean by that, Sam? How could that possibly be a thing, right? How could my Mac's about to die? But anyways, why can Rzlv survive the winter? Because they have a lot of cash. The company has 65 months of cash left on, and right now they have 342 million in the bank. They're burning 15.8 million every single quarter. They have 65 months of cash, my friends. 65 months of cash. So they're doing good. They're doing very well financially. They have over 4 years of cash left on hand. They don't need to go to the financial markets and shake a cup and say, oh, please, please, here are our shares, buy them for a discount. No, they don't need to do that. Earnings are good. CEO has conviction. The only thing holding the stock back are the broader markets. And sooner than later, the broader markets are going to flip and we're going to get another bull market. Okay? So there's that. That's my take. Now, what levels am I buying? I'm buying some at 250. Okay? And the rest I'm buying all the way down at this 240-ish levels. Okay? Those are the levels that I'm buying. And then the rest, I'm waiting and I'm waiting until we potentially see $2. Okay? And I'm buying more at 2. That's it. For now, I'm just sitting on my hand and I'm buying other stocks. If you guys want to know what other stocks I'm buying, check out our Discord. I've been like a broken record about this. The spots keep selling out. I keep adding more spots. Right now, once again, the next 10 members that join the Discord, they get access to it for a 50% discount, 50% sale for the next 10 members that join. We also offer a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. What's Discord? Discord is kind of like a WhatsApp group or like a Telegram group, but a lot better, because not only do we give you our alerts, when to get in, when to buy, when to sell, we also give you lessons, one-on-one access, question and Q&A sections, everything like that. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. We give you day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, lessons, everything like that. And we've been crushing it. We've been crushing it day in, day out. Literally today, DFavor says sold too early, but could have achieved profit 5 times. The green risk management discipline. Thanks for the options group chat. Okay, there we go. It just died. My laptop just died. Beautiful. Anyways, give it a shot. The link is in the comment section in the description. There's a reason we have over 400 plus members coming back month after month. Try out the free trial. Try out the damn free trial. See if you see results. If you see results, come back for more. If you don't see results, pack your bags and leave. Everything's dying in here now. My light is dying. My laptop just died. My microphone's gonna die next. No, my microphone's fully charged up. Anyways, appreciate you guys. Okay, I'm out of here. Bye bye.